Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can use voice effect on TikTok. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app and log into your account and click on the plus icon, and there you will come in your camera section, and you have to simply do is you can as well get a photo over here, or you can simply record a video about minimum like 15 seconds or like 1 or 2 seconds for that video purpose. But you can also record maximum about 10 minutes video from the TikTok app. So you have to simply record a video. Like I want to record a video of 15 seconds, so as you can see, click on that, and then it's gonna be recording over here. So I want and then it's gonna be recording over here of like 4 to 5 minutes. By the tutorial I can show you how you can, and then it's gonna be recording over here. So you can see over here on the left side menu, you will see, and then it's gonna be recording over here. You can see you have edits, templates, text, or and then it's gonna be recording over here. Filters, voice, caption, sound trim, volume, save, and then it's gonna be recording over here. The fourth one option over here, like voice, you have to simply click on that, and then you can see over here you can simply click on record, and you can simply press on this, and then you have to simply record your video over here, or like you want to add like them, and that's it. Click on done. Yes, and then you have to simply record your video over here, or like you want to add this, and then you have to and then you have to simply record your video over here, or like you want to add this, and then you have to simply record your video over here, or like you want to add this, and then you have to simply record your video over here, or like you want to. And as you can see, I will show you that I have shown you that how you can add voice effect in your TikTok video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.